Hello everybody, welcome to this installment of Nathan the F&I Guy. Today we're going to talk about 0% and whether you should do it. Toyota offers a lot of 0% on certain vehicles. One of the drawbacks to it is if you take the 0%, most of the time you give up the rebate. A lot of times they let you have a portion of the rebate but not the whole rebate. They usually give you the option of either or. So what 0% is, obviously it has no interest of any kind, no prepayment penalty. You could do a various different terms. Usually it's 36, 48, or 60 months. A lot of times on vehicles they only offer 0 on 36 and then like 0.9 or 1.9 for 48 or 60, or it's 0% across the board. A lot of times when it doesn't make sense to do 0% is if you're giving up a large rebate. At that point you'd want to weigh the amount financed and the finance charge, so how much you're going to pay over the life of the loan in interest against how much you're giving up in a rebate. A lot of times if the rebate's, let's say, $1,500 and you're only going to pay $1,200 in interest over the term of the loan, you're giving up $300. You're losing $300 basically on the net between the finance charge and the rebate itself. So a lot of times it's better to not take the 0%, especially since interest rates have been so low. So on standard financing you need a fairly low interest rate in order for that to make sense. The other time you wouldn't want to do 0% is if you're going to pay your loan off early. Nowadays with simple interest loans you only pay the interest you accrue. So if you pay your loan off early, you're going to pay only a portion of that interest. Now a lot of that takes planning and discipline to know if you're going to pay it off early. That way if you're giving up a rebate, you can calculate accurately how much interest you would pay by not going with the 0%. 0% is great, though it's hard to beat free money, especially if you add accessories or other back-end products like warranties, gap insurance, stuff of that nature, because you can borrow the money for free from Toyota and you're not going to pay any interest over the life of the loan. Also, every time you make a payment, it's a principal payment, so you pay your loan down quite a bit faster than with traditional financing. So that's the ins and outs of 0%. Look forward to talking to you again about more topics related to the finance and insurance office at an automotive dealer. Have a nice day.